Welcome back to Weaver Music. Today we are working on an electric guitar output jack tightening and jack plate replacement. There are two primary output jack designs. There is the flat Les Paul design and the other is the angled recessed Stratocaster design. We begin with gaining access to the back side of the output jack so as to make sure the wires are not twisted or become twisted when removing or tightening the output jack. We do this by carefully removing the access plate screws and access plate and placing them aside. As a quick side note, it's also a good idea to do this when replacing the output jack plate to ensure you have enough wire length attached to your output jack before attempting to remove it and accidentally damaging the wires. Now that we have access to the back side of the output jack, do a quick inspection of the wiring and location of the output jack before removing the output jack plate. Just as a quick note, if you only need to tighten the nut on the output jack, you don't need to remove the output jack plate, unless you're unable to safely secure the output jack from rotating when tightening the output jack nut. To remove the output jack plate, you do the same as you did with the access plate. We do this by carefully removing the output jack plate screws and gently pulling the output jack and plate out together just far enough so that you can safely secure the back side of the output jack without damaging the wires. Now that we are able to safely secure the output jack in place, remove the output jack nut, washer, and remove the output jack plate. Check and make sure the replacement plate is the same size and that the holes line up exact to ensure that we don't cause any damage to the guitar when installing the new plate. Now hold the output jack in place securely and insert it into the new plate. Install the washer and the nut, but don't tighten the nut at this time. Once you have the nut on there and have it snugged up by hand, align the output jack in the hole to make sure that it lines up right. Then go ahead and secure it tightly with your hand, securing the jack plate on the back side, and use your wrench to tighten it. Now, just as a side note, do not over tighten the nut or you can damage the output jack and possibly the output jack plate. Now with the output jack secured to the plate, gently reinsert the output jack into the guitar and install the screws. Again, be careful not to over tighten the screws or you could strip the screw holes, causing unnecessary damage and further work. While we work on reassembling the output jack plate, I'd really like to take this moment to say thank you for watching and supporting our channel, and ask if you liked this video so far and find it helpful to please hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't done it already, please hit the subscribe button to help support our channel. The more support we receive, the more support videos we can provide. With the Les Paul style output jack plate completed, replacing the angle output jack plate is done in a similar way. Carefully remove the screws securing the angle output jack plate and gently lift the output jack and plate as one assembly. Secure the back side of the output jack and tighten the nut. If you're replacing the output jack, loosen and remove the output jack nut and washer and remove the output jack. Insert the output jack into the new plate. Install the washer and nut and tighten the nut the same way you do if it's a flat output jack plate. Place the output jack and plate back on the guitar and carefully install the securing screws, ensuring you do not over tighten the screws. All that's left is to play and make sweet music. Again, please hit the thumbs up and hit subscribe, and as always, thank you for your support and for watching. Have a great day.